Hey, it's Lick Friday once again, and if you like the lick, give it a thumbs up. Please share it on your social media stuff and Twitter and all that sort of malarkey, and enjoy it. But coming up now is the lick. Was your lick. It's based over pentatonic. Would you believe it? That pentatonic scale has so much scope. It is unbelievable. Now, it uses shape 5, shape 1, shape 2 and shape 3 of the C minor pentatonics. And you're just basically doing the same lick over 3 octaves, and then ending up with a nice little bend in shape 3 of the C minor pentatonic scales. If you want the tab, as usual, it's on my guitar gig here. It's on my guitarjammingtracks.com website for the free PDF. And you can also visit my Patreon page, which is patreon.com/Dan's page. And you can get the guitar profile. And it only costs, for the first tier system, it's $1. That is all, $1, which is probably about 70 pence, something like that, per month. And what that will do is help me to create these videos and to continue to create these videos. So if you want to support my channel, this channel, and your learning, great, go ahead. That would be absolutely fantastic. And on certain tier systems, you get lessons every couple of weeks, which you won't find on YouTube. So yeah, there we go. That's what I'm going to ask of you. Also, thinking about doing Skype lessons as well, so I'm going to put a little box up there which is going to give you a poll, and then say yes or no to Skype lessons. Would you be interested in Skype lessons? Let's see, let's find out. If not, I won't do it. If you are, great. Yeah, that's it really. So I'm going to leave you with the breakdown. So the breakdown itself is starting on the thick string in shape 5 of the C minor pentatonics. So for those that are interested in learning all the pentatonic shapes, which is very advisable, go to my website, which is guitarjammingtracks.com. Links below. Thank you very much. Now, 6 to 8, hammer it on or pick it on that thick string. Then it's 6 and 8. Now this 8th fret on the 5th string, so 6, 8, 5th string, is basically a pre-note. So you're going to slide it up to fret 10. Back down to fret 8, and then you're going to pull off to fret 6, back to fret 8, and then slide up to fret 10 again. So, and then you're going to repeat exactly the same thing, but this time an octave higher. So starting in, basically we're in shape 1 of the pentatonics, and now you're going to do exactly the same lick starting on fret 8 instead of fret 6. So we start 8, 10 on the 4th string, so 8 on the 3rd string. Again, that pre-note slides straight up from the 10th fret to the 12th fret, back down to the 10, pull off to the 8, to the 10, and then slide up to the 12. Okay, then you're going to do the same thing, this time an octave higher once again. So starting on that B flat note on the 2nd string, this brings you into the shape 2 of the pentatonics. You're going to hammer on to 11 to 13, to 11 on the 1st string. Again, that pre-note on the 13th fret is going to go straight up to the 15, slide down to the 13 from the 15, so that's a slide up, slide down straight away, pull off to 11, and then this time, instead of going back up to the 15, you're coming down to the 2nd string, which is fret 13, and then 11, back up to the 13, and then a bend. This is where it takes you into the 3rd pentatonic scale shapes. You're going to fret 16 with a full tone bend to finish on that 2nd string. So I'm keeping the last of the 13th frets on that 2nd string as a staccato note before the bend. Anyway, I'll play it slow for you now. Here we go. So Thanks for sticking with it. Did you enjoy that lick? I think it's a really cool lick. I really enjoyed playing it. So once again, guitarjammingtracks.com for your free PDF, or you can visit Dan's page of the Patreons. So that's patreon.com/Dan's page, and all links and below, cards and all that sort of stuff. And also, would you be interested in Skype lessons? Fill in that poll, yes or no. I won't be offended if it's no. Don't worry about it. It all costs money, doesn't it? So yeah, come and support me on Patreon, and I'll see you next week for 186. Flipping heck, they're clocking up.